Hi, maybe. Can you show us the animals, maybe? Look at all these animals. Can you point to which are your favorite ones?
This one.
You like the cows? Where's the mommy cow?
It's a mommy cow.
Where's the babies? Aww. What are the other animals you see here?
That's the.
Jeez. What's your favorite color?
This.
Aw, you like cows. Look at your cool shoes, maybe.
This.
Can you say... What do the Bobos say?
Oh, sorry.
How old are you, maybe? Yeah, you are. Cheese. You're so cute, maybe.